E be like say people no dey learn for this country. People don't learn. Labour Party governorship candidate in the last election inside Imo State. Achono. Senator Achono. You know they learn. So, with everything that happened during the last presidential tribunal, you no learn anything. You won't still waste your money. Say you dey go Supreme Court. I mean, you go appeal court. You won't drag and reach Supreme Court. Even ego, you have money to throw away. We understand your pain. As you come and tell us, say, even INEC, you give INEC money. You gave them money so that they can allow you to go through the beavers or the electoral materials. As mandated by the court, as ordered by the court, they requested for money. You gave them money to ease the process. Millions, according to you, say you gave them millions. They no agree you, supervise what you want to supervise. When I refund the money, INEC say they no will refund. You talk plenty things inside the video where I won't play now because my audience, I won't play for my audience. You talk plenty things. You understand? Your experience now and experience that Peter Obi had in the last presidential election. Now the same thing, no? But you know one leg. Money where you go just use now, hold yourself. They were. You won't go through where. Who tells you you go get justice? We saw how you reported it clearly. How they pack vote to give hopelessness of them. And they shot themselves in the leg at the end of the day. The vote that he won with was way above the total accredited votes in that election. We saw they take the share vote given, like saying a gala they share given. They back warehouse give what's be that in hopelessness of them. Are you now seeing the handwriting of the devil inside this thing? And say you no go win. Which court? And you want to go, make I not talk too much. My people, make una help me listen to which this Achono talk as he take touch in case. With hopelessness of them, where they say now you win election inside the Imo State. Of course, now no say tribunal don't declare hopelessness of them, hopeless of them, I say, now you win the election. But this Otuaka man, the Labour Party candidate, he said, I lie you. Say you go drag him, go. After everything we him see what happened in the last presidential tribunal. Where Peter Obi provided everything, even carry TV, enter court. Play cinema for them. Pack evidence everywhere. Still, they say they don't see anything. This man wants to do the same mistake and throw his money. Muna help me listen to this discussion that transpired on top national TV with this Achono guy. Then come and tell me in the comment section if what he's doing, he's taking the right steps or not. Because what he won't go prove inside that court, we already know. But will he get justice? Will he get justice? No! Watch this video. That's the way you think. Put it in the comment section. Alright? Go watch this video.
INEC brazenly refused to abide by the order of the same tribunal directing it to produce before it the beavers machine. It may interest you to note that the same INEC had, prior to the commencement of hearing of my petition before the tribunal, refused to grant access to Labour Party accredited inspectors to inspect the beavers machine in line with an order of the same tribunal. This is regardless of the fact that INEC had extorted from me millions of naira purportedly as a deposit for the cost of the inspection of the beavers machine. The said inspection never held, and INEC has held on to the money. Interestingly, the tribunal neither made any comment on this INEC's malfeasance nor sanctioned INEC for flouting its order.
All the international observers, if they say Labour won a landslide, then the result was different. Just the whole country saw on television where our coalition officer was insisting that please, before you collect this result, look at the total you have, check the beavers now to make sure that this thing tallies with what is in the beaver, because that's what the law says. The man, instead, you know what they did? They beat him, they kicked him, the whole country was watching. And nobody said anything, except Labour Party crying. Nobody said anything, Charles. I mean, the case of forgery is very obvious. That the law says, if they even asked the witness, the APC witness, what they use for accreditation in an election, he said it was the Beavers report. You understand? And then you have a Beavers report that says that accreditation is 520,000. You have a winner with more than 520,000. And then total votes cast in that election are 700 and something thousand, Charles. Now, the case in Osun State was totally different. You had a case where there were 3 different Beavers reports. It's very understandable. Now, you don't know which one.
The court had to decide
which
one was the authentic one.
Exactly. Right. That was why they had to bring in the Beavers machine. You understand? But okay, now who is the electoral umpire? It's INEC. So any document INEC gives us, what the electoral guidelines says, INEC we follow. And it says that INEC said that this is their Beavers report. They issued it to us. And nobody contradicted it, nobody questioned it, nobody opposed it. Do you understand? And then we brought witnesses. Let me tell you what happened. We are supposed to bring 1,600 witnesses. We are allowed 60 days under the law for cross-examination. Do you know what they did? They gave us only, was it 12 or 14 days, and allotted 4 hours per day only, each day. You know, it's what it is. You know, we are going to appeal that judgment. Right. And I don't want to come and start talking about that judgment.
I understand, because I was going to ask you what your next move is, but you're clearly planning to appeal.
No, yeah, we are appealing immediately, but I'm going to war, Charles. I'm going to wage a struggle, and I'm calling on all aggrieved Nigerians to come and join.
Well, there's going to be a lot of people
yes,
who are aggrieved.
INEC, we have to expose INEC. INEC must be made to pay. Okay, let me give you an example. What happened in 2019 when I ran for Senate? Because it doesn't make any sense, Charles. They say that there was a party that their logo didn't come out. So midway during the election, they brought it to my attention that the ballot papers they are circulating is not our ballot paper. That something was wrong. So I quickly rushed to the INEC rec, one doctor, somebody from Cross River. I said, what's going on? He said, don't worry, that INEC is the internal decision. This, that, there's no problem. You understand me? Because they gave us from another senatorial zone, maybe because of that logo that didn't come out. You understand? So he says it's an internal management thing, that's an administrative thing that can take a decision to make sure that the elections hold. I said, okay, fine. Only after election, I won landslide, Charles. And I campaigned without giving anybody penny. I said, no shishi. That's when I started that thing in Nigeria. I didn't give anybody kobo during that campaign. So, at the end of it all, they said that a party's logo did not appear. And when we investigated, it was only in 2 local governments out of 6 that thing didn't appear. Do you know, Charles, they cancelled the election. Fine and good. We went back. I won with 10,000 in the previous election. This time, I won with 12,000 plus. People became angry. Voted overwhelmingly. Do you know what happened? I went to take my result at INEC head office. The governor then surrounded the place with over 200 thugs, armed, knife, machete, everything. We videoed everything. They said I will not come out with that result alive. So INEC refused to give me my result that I spent when I was photocopying them. They said the photocopier had broken down. I bought 2 photocopiers I brought. They said their generator, I bought generator and bought diesel. Brought it to INEC head office so that the photocopy will continue. Do you know they refused to give me my result? I had to call the AIG, then in Umuahia. He retired now, Kama. He's alive. Kama, I called him, I said, look, I'm going to kill everybody here this night. If they don't release my result to me, I'll destroy this place. Yeah. I said already they have armed thugs waiting for me outside. So let them give me my result. Let me go and face them. Because they said they are afraid that those who say they will kill them, they will burn the place down if they give me my result. I said they shouldn't worry. I'm the one to kill them. And when I kill them, I'll now go and face the thugs outside. So the AIG asked, so I should give them the phone. I did. He asked them, this man, did he win an election? He said, yes, sir. Give him the result now. That's how I got my result. The same result, my opponent went and forged another one. Charles.
One has to wonder why you stay in politics.
Charles, look. So, Charles, we have to change the thing.
It's not funny, to be honest.
Somebody has to do something. We have to change this place.
But I can.
For centuries, the Ijele has been a revered masquerade in Igboland, a predominant tribe in southern Nigeria. The Ijele is a grand spectacle that commands respect, awe, and celebration. Today, Innocent Vehicles brings you the Ijele in a new form. A majestic, robust, and monolithic pickup truck designed to leave an indelible mark in the annals of automotive history. The Innocent Ijele is equipped with a powerful 3.0 L turbo engine and 4WD to conquer any terrain with ease. Make way for the Innocent Ijele, Innocent Vehicle, the pride of African roads.